Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the crochet crinkly stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the single crochet stitch, and the double crochet stitch. I have videos on all those and I will have them listed down below. I have already made this little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see if the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. If you're starting from the very beginning making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 2. You're going to be making 2 rows for this stitch that you're going to be alternating between. I will show you how to make that first row that you are going to be working into those chains on the row that I am currently working. I have already made 1 chain on my hook. So this first row is going to be a little foundation row of all single crochet. So even if you're working into your chains, you're going to work 1 single crochet into each chain. In this case, I'm going to be working 1 single crochet into each stitch across. That's how that row of all single crochet is looking. To start your next row, you're going to make 1 chain and you're going to turn your work. Into your first stitch, you're going to make 1 single crochet. Into your next stitch, you're going to make 1 double crochet. Into your next stitch, 1 single. Into your next stitch, 1 double. Into the next stitch, 1 single crochet. Into the next stitch, 1 double crochet. You're going to alternate between these 2 stitches for the rest of your row. So like I said earlier, you will now alternate between these 2 rows for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the crochet crinkly stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. Please follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.